Hi, this is Pie Maker Man. I have recently had an injury. I've gotten a partially ruptured tendon, a bone fracture, and something that I got removed. Don't worry, it's not anything important. It's not like an organ or anything. Just something kind of gross. So I'm not going to talk about. Anyways, because of that, I'm going to be making paper airplanes and not playing my guitar. So yes, this is the plane we're going to be making. I call it the ultimatum. And it's pretty cool. So yeah, here, close up. This is a piece of paper. Oh, of course it's a piece of paper. So, first thing that you do is you fold like that. There. Just like that. Then you fold like that. Okay? Then you flip it over and you fold like that. I don't know I think this is a valley fold, but I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna shut up so that you guys can just do what you need to do. So then you go like that. Ta-da! So that you crease right along there. Wow. Then, only creasing in the center, you fold down like that. That's all you need to do. Then, since you have a little X right there that's kind of formed with these lines, yeah, you fold this down to there. Kind of hard to get. Sometimes I like to take a pencil and just go in there. That kind of helps it crease better. Then you repeat it on the other side. Ooh, this one's folded much nicer. So, then you fold up like that. That's two folds, yes I know. And then, here's what I like doing. So, you fold from this line right here to about 1/6 going that way of this entire line. You go about there, and then like halfway from there to the next part, if that should be a line. I know, it's kind of confusing, but you want to fold from here to here. So that's where this crease will go. So, basically a little bit below this point. It doesn't have to be perfect. That point. Like that. And like that. I'm going to get the crease right 1 second. So, now that you have gotten pretty much done, it's not going to be what you think it is. Most people would say, oh, you just bend the wing tips up. No, you bend it only a centimeter up like that. So that looks like that. Then, you flip it over and you fold it up a centimeter. But you're not done. Then, you fold it up again. You flip it over. Yes. Again. Gets repetitive. So then, you fold it out, and I'll give you a preview of the wings of what they should look like. So, when it's folded in, when you have it like that, it should look like that. But whenever it's folded out, it should be down like that. Almost at a 90-degree angle on each wing. Yeah, exactly a 90-degree angle, because whenever it's like this, it's straight. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And it flies great. It can fly upside down and right side up. And hovers really far. You want to throw this almost straight up at an angle like that. Really, really hard. Step into it. I know it gets really hard, but you want to throw it from the triangle. Oops. From this triangle. You see it? No. There. Okay, so I like flying it, so Next slide. Here comes the. Alright, so this is the injury. And here is the plane. I'm going to fly this plane. Okay. One more flight. What? I had to come back for the camera. It's not like I can get somebody to just flip it off or something. Have a nice day. Thank you for clicking on this vid.